Namaste and welcome everyone. I'm Dr. Suraksha. Today we are going to talk about a condition that affects so many of us, sciatica syndrome. You might have heard about it, but what you may not know is Ayurveda has some really effective ways to treat this condition. A spectrum of disease fall under sciatica due to different causes. Disc bulge, herniation, stenosis, spondylosis, spondylolisthesis, and all of this come under gridhrasi in Ayurveda. Sciatica or gridhrasi in Ayurveda is often due to an imbalance in Vata dosha, sometimes associated with Kapha dosha too. The imbalance of these doshas causes a pain shooting from your lower back down through your legs. But why does this happen? It is usually due to nerve compression. And our lifestyle today, example sitting for long hours, improper posture can really aggravate this condition. But fear not, because Ayurveda provides a holistic approach to soothe the pain in this condition. First off, let's look at the lifestyle modification. It is more than just adjusting how you sit or stand, it is about incorporating practices that balance the Vata in this condition. Simple practices like keeping yourself warm, avoiding cold and raw foods, and including gentle movements in your day-to-day life can make a world of a difference. Now, let's bring in the herbal remedies with their powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Herbs like ashwagandha, which not only reduce inflammation but improves your body's stress response. Nirgundi, known for its pain-relieving abilities, and guggulu with its healing properties. These are not just random plants, but they are carefully selected to alleviate your pain. We also recommend Panchakarma therapies like Snehana, a therapeutic oil massage, Svedana, herbal steam treatment, Katibasti, Niruhabasti, Agnikarma, Rakta Mokshana, etc. These treatments penetrate deep into the tissues and help relieve stiffness and pain. We also recommend specific yoga asanas designed to stretch and strengthen the areas affected by sciatica to improve flexibility, mobility, and relieve the nerve compression. Diet plays an important role in the treatment of this condition because what we eat can significantly impact the Vata dosha. So, incorporating food that is warm and rich in nourishing properties, also avoiding food that are cold, dry, and raw in nature plays a very significant role. Now, let's not forget the power of routine. Ayurveda places immense importance for living in harmony with nature's cycles, waking up with the sun, eating your meals at regular times, and having a winding down routine before going to bed stabilizes your vata and helps in the recovery process. In conclusion, if sciatica has been making your life difficult, it is time to explore Ayurveda because we here focus on treating the root cause than just the symptoms. If you are interested in how to incorporate these practices in your daily life, do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you for joining in today.